Which film's iconic fight scene required no sound effects? Which film's iconic fight scene require no sound effects? Now we'll give you 4 options and you try to guess which one from these 4 options that you think is the correct answer for the question, and here is the list of the options. The first option is Fight Club. Second option is Liar Liar. The third option is Snatch. And the last option is Rocky. So from these 4 options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? And now let me give you the correct answer for the question, and the correct answer is Liar Liar. So that's the answer for the question, Liar Liar. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click this subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friend, just go ahead, click this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment, say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye.